Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Kalpatru Amare by Kalpatru located nearby Noble Chemist, Gulmohar Crossroad 11, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office where we also have the actual land parcel and the construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, speaking of project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acre that will have one tower of 4 basement, ground plus 16 residential floors, having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located nearby Noble Chemist, Gulmohar Crossroad number 11, from where SV Road is at a distance of 7 minutes, Juhu Beach is at a distance of 5 minutes, and you have Western Express Highway at a distance of 2.5 kilometers from the project. And now, speaking of amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, lawn, kids play area, energetic outdoor arena, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now, speaking of configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK residences with 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1406 square feet, 3.5 BHK in the carpet area of 1530 square feet and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1845 and 1899 square feet. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now, speaking of booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 10% of the property value. Also, they have 30/70 payment plan and CLP is available. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Kalpatru Amare by Kalpatru located on Gulmohar Crossroad number 11, Juhu, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.